play with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure
Wow.
from both of my hands. So this is centering. Iko-compress natin siya sa ilalim and then we slide our fingers up slowly until the top. Ulitin natin para tumaas lalo. Compress here at the bottom and then we slide our fingers up. Slowly go up, sliding our fingers up. And before the very top, we will put. So from here,
Galing.
I will have to air dry it for 5 days. 5 days later, it becomes leather dry. I will have to come back, trim it at the bottom, and then I will attach the handle. And then we air dry it again for 1 month bago po namin siya. That is the making of the pot. Who wants to try it?
What are you going to make, Moy? Can you make a giraffe?
Hindi kaya. Wow.
Alright, let me have your hands. Okay, we'll have them pressed in both. Alright, now we will separate them apart slowly. Good job, release. Now we're going to do the cylinder. Relax, I will be the one to put pressure. Don't squeeze it enough, okay? So we kind of compress here at the bottom and then slowly we go up. Okay, one more time. Compress and then slowly we slide our fingers up. There you go. Now you feel it. Out from that, like your sister, you are going to shape it into a bowl. So how you are going to do that? Okay, one hand in. Push the clay outwards, and while you push, you just have to slowly go up. One more time. Push. Look at that. Okay,
Wow.
one more time. Good job.
Very good.
It's a very good shape, isn't it? My first
Wow. Very good, Moy.
You like to?
Bye, Meister. Are you ready?
Give me your two hands. Give me your two hands. Farther in here. Okay. Okay. Here. There you go. Very good. Now, two thumbs at the middle. Two thumbs. We will push them both. Okay. Now, we are going to separate them apart slowly. Good job. Release.
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to do the cylinder. Relax your hands. I will be the one to put pressure. So, i-compress natin siya sa ilalim. And then slowly, we just have to slide our fingers up. One more time. Compress. Okay, you just feel it like this.
That's not chocolate, my hand.
Don't taste mine, huh? Looks yummy, no?
That's it? Okay, very good. Now, it's going to be a cute cereal bowl. Push the clay outwards, and while we push, we are going up. So cute. One more time. Push. Go straight up. Isn't it cute?
Yay!
You can do like this.
Oh, laki na ng bowl mo, Mai.
Wow.
Wow.
May pagano pa.
Mm-mm.
out.